In a world brimming with medical advancements, it's often the simplest remedies that hold the most profound secrets. One such remedy is garlic water, a concoction that might sound unassuming but is packed with potential health benefits. Garlic, known scientifically as Allium sativum, has been revered through centuries for its medical properties. It is not just a staple ingredient in kitchens worldwide, but also a cornerstone in traditional and modern medicine. The concept of drinking garlic-infused water daily might seem novel, but it is grounded in a long history of herbal medicine. As we delve into the properties and benefits of garlic water, we will discover how this simple drink can contribute significantly to our health and well-being. Garlic's journey as a medicinal herb is as ancient as it is fascinating. Documented by various civilizations including the Egyptians, Babylonians, Greeks, and Romans, garlic has been used to bolster strength, cure ailments, and even ward off spirits. Historical records from Egypt suggest that garlic was part of the daily diet of the pyramid builders, believed to enhance their stamina and protect them from illness. In ancient Greece, garlic was consumed by athletes before competitions to enhance their performance, and by soldiers as a form of courage enhancement before battles. Hippocrates, often called the father of Western medicine, prescribed garlic for a variety of conditions including respiratory problems, poor digestion, and fatigue. The continuity of garlic's medicinal use throughout history provides a robust foundation for its modern-day application in the form of garlic water. At the heart of garlic's health benefits is its rich array of chemical compounds, each contributing uniquely to its overall medicinal properties. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur-containing compound, which is largely responsible for its distinctive smell and taste as well as its therapeutic effects. When garlic is crushed or chopped, an enzyme reaction converts its compound allicin into allicin, which is known for its potent antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Beyond allicin, garlic is packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, selenium, and fiber. These nutrients contribute to the holistic health benefits of garlic, supporting various bodily functions such as immune response and metabolic processing. Garlic water, by infusing water with garlic's soluble compounds, may offer a unique and effective way to harness these properties daily. Scientific research into garlic's health benefits has provided substantial evidence supporting its traditional uses. Studies have shown that regular intake of garlic can lower blood pressure in individuals with hypertension, an effect attributed to garlic's allicin content. Clinical trials have also investigated garlic's cholesterol-lowering properties. A review of multiple studies suggests that garlic can modestly reduce levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while having minimal effect on high-density lipoprotein, HDL, known as good cholesterol. The benefits of garlic are not limited to heart health. Its broad-spectrum antimicrobial properties make it a natural ally against various bacterial and viral infections. These scientific findings not only validate the traditional use of garlic, but also provide a strong rationale for including garlic water in a daily health regimen. Garlic's impact on heart health is one of its most celebrated benefits, making garlic water a valuable drink for those concerned with cardiovascular wellness. The ability of garlic to help manage cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure is particularly noteworthy. These effects are primarily due to garlic's allicin content, which acts on the blood vessels to improve their elastic properties and reduce arterial stiffness, thereby enhancing blood flow and reducing pressure on the heart. Clinical studies have consistently shown that garlic supplementation can lead to significant reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Moreover, the antioxidant properties of garlic contribute to the protection of the heart by preventing the oxidation of cholesterol, which is a key factor in the development of heart disease. Regular consumption of garlic water, therefore, might offer a simple, natural strategy to support heart health. The role of garlic in enhancing the immune system is another compelling reason to consider daily consumption of garlic water. Garlic's immune-boosting properties are largely due to its sulfur-containing compounds, which help stimulate the activity of immune cells like macrophages, lymphocytes, and natural killer cells. These cells are crucial in the body's defense mechanism against pathogens. Several studies have shown that garlic enhances the immune response by increasing the production of cytokines, which are chemical messengers that help mediate and regulate immunity and inflammation. Additionally, garlic's antiviral properties make it particularly useful during the flu season. It has been shown to not only reduce the severity of cold and flu symptoms, but also shorten the duration of illness. Integrating garlic water into the daily diet, especially during times of increased risk for infections, can be a simple and effective way to boost overall immune function. Garlic's benefits extend beyond internal health to include significant advantages for skin health, making garlic water an intriguing option for those interested in natural skincare routines. The antibacterial properties of garlic make it effective against several skin pathogens, including those responsible for acne and skin infections. By reducing bacterial levels on the skin, garlic water can help prevent and treat acne outbreaks effectively. Additionally, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate common skin conditions such as rosacea and eczema. These conditions often involve inflammatory processes that garlic can mitigate, thereby reducing redness and irritation. Garlic also contains compounds that help promote collagen production, essential for skin strength and elasticity, which can combat the signs of aging. Regular consumption of garlic water can therefore not only improve skin health from the inside but also enhance its outward appearance. While the benefits of garlic water are substantial, it is also important to consider its potential downsides. One of the most common concerns is the strong odor associated with garlic, which can be unpleasant and socially inconvenient. This odor is due to the sulfur compounds in garlic, which, while beneficial for health, can lead to persistent bad breath and even a noticeable body odor. In addition to the social considerations, garlic can also cause digestive discomfort for some people. This includes symptoms like heartburn, gas, and diarrhea, particularly when consumed in large quantities. Furthermore, garlic has blood-thinning properties which, while beneficial for cardiovascular health, can pose risks for individuals on blood-thinning medications or those who have bleeding disorders. Despite these potential drawbacks, for most people, the health benefits of garlic water can outweigh the negatives, especially when consumed in moderation. Incorporating garlic water into a daily health routine can be simple and rewarding. The key is to start with small, manageable steps to ensure it becomes a sustainable part of your lifestyle. One of the easiest methods is to prepare garlic water overnight. By soaking a few cloves of crushed garlic in a cup of water and letting it sit overnight, you can create a potent health drink that is ready to consume first thing in the morning. For those concerned about the strong taste of garlic, combining garlic water with other ingredients can make it more palatable. Adding a teaspoon of honey or mixing it with a bit of fresh lemon juice not only improves the flavor, but also enhances the health benefits. Throughout my career in integrative medicine, I have consistently emphasized the importance of natural remedies in promoting health and wellness. My personal experience with garlic water has been overwhelmingly positive, reinforcing the scientific research and historical anecdotes about its benefits. Daily consumption of garlic water has become a part of my routine, and I have noticed improvements in my immune function and general vitality. In my practice, I have recommended garlic water to numerous patients, particularly those struggling with cardiovascular issues and immune system vulnerabilities. The feedback has been encouraging, with many reporting better control over their blood pressure and fewer seasonal illnesses. Sharing these personal insights and observations is not just about endorsing garlic water, but about illustrating the potential of natural remedies in enhancing health. Embracing garlic water as a daily health practice is an excellent example of how simple, natural remedies can make significant contributions to our health and well-being. The journey through the historical uses, scientific backing, and practical integration of garlic water into daily routines highlights its potential as a powerful, yet simple tool for health maintenance. The balance of embracing both the benefits and acknowledging the potential downsides is crucial in adopting any new health practice. As we continue to navigate the complexities of modern healthcare, integrating simple, effective natural remedies like garlic water can provide a grounding and empowering approach to health. Ultimately, the choice to incorporate garlic water into your daily life should be informed by personal health goals, current health status, and, ideally, a discussion with a healthcare provider. In conclusion, garlic water offers a simple, accessible way to enhance health naturally.